Hey everyone, my name is Ank. Today we are going to talk about popular tool used by WD Gann, the square of 9. Let's take a look at what this is all about. Here it is. We have 1 in the center and we move to the next circle where we find 9. If you remember, WD Gann said 3, 5, 7, 9 and 12 are master numbers. Well, here is 9. Here we have squares 4, 16, 36, 64 and the odd squares 9, 25, 49 all the way to 361. This is also called odd and even squares because you can see all odd and even squares lined up on the same line and opposition. But how do we use it? Well, this is a square calculator. You can see angles going higher and lower. You can also find angles like squares and trines, 90, 180, 270, 360 and 120, 240, 360. There are two things important in square of 9. The angles within the circle and the lines passing through the same angle. Square of 9 helps us to know when time and price will come together. It is knowable in advance. Again, the price system cannot be understood without the time cycles. You have to understand the time cycles. Let me show you how this works with an example. We have Dow Jones 13 December 2022 high of 34712 and 19 December low 32581. Now we need to find these numbers in square of 9. We take 34712 and we find square root, which comes at 186.3. Now we know that if the square root was exactly 186, it would have been on the even square angle. And if it was 187, it would have been on odd square angle, right? But it is 0.3 more, so it should be 0.3 times distance between even and odd square. 0.3 times 180 is equal to 54. If you study Gann, you must have heard about 52. Moving ahead, so we have to move 54 degrees from 135 because even square lies on 135, which makes it 189 approximately, which is very interesting. Now I want you to do the same calculation with 32581, low in later December. When I think of December, all I can dream about is Christmas. Then when you do the calculation, you should get 225 degrees. Now if you knew about time cycles, how they work, you would have known in advance that the low has to be at 225 degrees. Well, that is a very beautiful method because not only the angles repeat from the past, time cycles, but also the degrees moved can be understood with the help of cycles. I urge you to study cycles, and once you do understand them, watch this video thoroughly again to complete this circle. That's it for the video. Take care.